Have you ever noticed how most of your stress comes from worries that never actually happen? Your mind keeps looping again and again. This is where the worry tree comes in. First, notice the worry. Don't judge it. Just ask yourself, what exactly am I worried about? Now comes the most important question. Is this a real, current problem, or just a hypothetical situation? If it's hypothetical, something you can't control or something that may never happen, there's nothing you can do right now. So consciously let the worry go and shift your focus to what's in front of you. But if it's a real problem and you can do something about it, then stop worrying and start planning. Ask yourself 3 things. What should I do? When should I do it? And how will I do it? If you can act now, do it. Once action starts, worry loses its power. If it's something for later, schedule it. Write it down. Trust the plan. Either way, once you've decided, let the worry go and bring your attention back to the present moment. Remember, worry doesn't solve problems. Clarity and action do. If this helped you, share it with someone who overthinks a lot. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tools for a calm and focused life.